Ever wondered what happens if you sneeze at the speed of light? Normal tickle, little itch, uh-oh. Boom. Your entire head just hit 299 million meters per second. That's not a sneeze anymore. That's a relativistic railgun made of boogers. Saturn's rings? Deleted. Your face? Now a gamma ray burst heading for Andromeda. Meanwhile, your body's still standing there holding the tissue like, bless you? NASA already banned this move near particle accelerators. So next time you feel one coming, maybe just let it out slow. Bless the Andromeda galaxy.